Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the early morning vlog with my brand new iPhone 11. Product red. Shout out to Apple support, man. They had to walk me through step by step to change my password because I forgot my password from the last iPhone that I had, the iPhone 8 Plus. And the App Store was disabled, so they had to enable that. And yeah, man, they did an awesome job. Very informative. Communication was great, so that's a great start with Apple support. Got my iPhone 11 attached to the iOtta Easy One Touch 2 smartphone dash mount. So there might be a little bit of rattling from that, a little bit of shakiness from that. But everything else should be just fine. Everything looking really, really good right now on my iPhone 11. In the dark, very low light situation. Video test, 1080p, 30 frames per second. Listening to some music in the background. Add a little spice to this vid. Let me know what the audio quality is like with the music playing, me talking. I'm going to roll down the windows. Bring in some extra noise to see how well the iPhone 11 handles itself in this video test. Again, 1080p, 30 frames per second. Low light, in the dark, video test. I'm going to roll up the windows now, and you're going to tell the difference big time there. Turn up the music. There we go. So yeah, man, totally stoked. I wanted the 128 gig. If you watch the unboxing, I explain a little bit of what happened with that. There's just no T-Mobiles within 50 miles with a 128 gig variant. I actually started out at the Apple Store downtown, and I mentioned that I never want to go back into an Apple Store. They're just crazy people, man, for these iPhones. Just, wow. Anyway, they didn't have the 128 gig variant. They didn't have a 64 gig variant of what I wanted. It was either red or yellow. It was going to be back ordered, and neither did the other couple Apple stores that were within 50 miles. So nobody had the 128 gig variant. Nobody had the color I wanted, and but 64 gig variant, red, from T-Mobile. There was a few around town, and so I picked one up. And that's what I'm going to go for. I'll just store my information on the cloud, iCloud, and I'll just take the pics and videos that I take and shoot, and I'll just transfer them over to my computer and free up some space. So, you know, I'll just have to really utilize 64 gigs. I say we because a lot of us got really used to using 64. Remember when it first started out, I mean, it was 16, 32, and then it went to 64. So, I mean, we were able to, and I know I'm able to, utilize 64 gigs. It's actually a little less than that with everything that's on the iPhone 11 as far as what's already there, the apps and so forth. But with what's there, I know I can work it. I've done it before. It's not a big deal. My Huawei Nexus 6P actually has, you can take a right there and then shoot down. I know it was a red light, but you can do that. Only has 64 gigs. My Google Pixel 2 XL had 64 gigs. So yeah, I can easily work with 64 gigs of storage for less than that. So let me know. It's really dark right here where I'm at right now. It is really dark. So let me know how well the iPhone 11 is doing right now. And I think that's going to be it for me with this video test. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the iPhone 11 product red video test, 1080p, 30 frames per second. Lowlight in the dark situation. So really appreciate your feedback. Stay with me on this journey. Many more videos to come. Peace. God bless. I am out.